then the trails over there.
I love that. Hey guys, morning walkthrough tour. I'm on my way to get me a coffee. Yeah, this is a morning vlog, guys. I'm on my way to get me a coffee. Hope I don't got nothing in my teeth because I feel it. Oh, got it out. I don't want to be on here with stuff all in my teeth. Lord. Yeah, we just had breakfast. I had, go check out that short. Also, guys, show the love for the long vlogs that I did because I made some, actually, I did a really good long vlog yesterday. And it covered a little bit of everything, mostly about people's health and about us taking care of our health. So don't miss out on that because it's actually very informative and informational gain, and you can learn a lot from it. So go check that out. Right now we're going to the local gas station because I want a coffee, and my daughter took both car keys. So I said, you know what the hey? Let's walk it. Like I talked. Doing a little downtown walkthrough. We're going to the gas station. I'm gonna give me a regular coffee. My mother a regular coffee. You know us older women, we love our coffee, even the younger women, but my mother's an older lady. Well, my mother's 60, I think she's 67. Look, I got her. She's 17 years older than me, so I'll be 51. Yeah, so she should be going on for 68. And just like to have our coffee, guys. Yeah, this is our little downtown. I'm about to press the button so we can go through the crosswalk. It's a little busy down here. What's the button, Brianna? So we can see the little man when he tells us to cross. We're on the crosswalk. I think I'll give y'all. Oh, he said go, Brianna. We said we waiting for him to tell us to go. So we walking. I know they like, y'all been supposed to go. Yeah, the little man had told us to go, but I wasn't paying attention. Well, yep. So we're at the Sunoco, which is also a gourmet donuts coffee shop too. So I'm about to get me a nice little coffee. I know they probably like, damn, why is she walking? Because I never walk. I never walk. Not trying to be funny, but I just not to the stores. I just drive, even though that's probably, I shouldn't do that for health reasons. But yeah, I be driving. I don't like to walk. So we're in the gas station. Let me give you a little vision. I should get by. I'll take a small iced coffee. Caramel swirl with the extra swirl on it. Yes, please, regular cream and sugar. I'm gonna get Brian a coffee too because I know he probably would like an iced coffee, so I'm gonna get him a nice iced coffee. Plus these folks done broke Brian's TV. These folks be always causing problems. They done broke my son's car. They done broke my son's TV and everything. So he's a little perturbed. Well, he doesn't seem to be upset, but I mean, I know that that's his little, his run to us. He like to watch his TV. And now he don't have one. Look, guys, get a little background at the gas station. Got the lottery and all that. I should have bought my lottery ticket. I played the Powerball yesterday. I looked online. It doesn't look like I won, though. But I played today, too, Mega Millions. So hopefully today. But thank you. Do you have one of those? Yes. Thank you. Thank you, darling. Yeah. How much is it, darling? Watch, Brian's gonna be surprised I got him a coffee. Look.
This is nice.
Okay,
1043.
1043. So here's 11. And then I'll put that in there. Thank you, darling.
you.
Have a good one, baby. Have a good one, okay? Me and Brian used to always see her every morning when we go in there and have our coffee. I know she's like, wow, I'm walking. Look, she looked at me like, whoa, I never walk. But yeah, guys, so I got my coffee. Brianna's holding it. And we're doing our little exercise. I get a ride back. Look, guys, we get a ride back. We ran into my daughter. Hey, Sean.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, guys.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah, I said, you know what? Fuck it. I'll just walk. It's a nice day.
I know
We
that.
just- Yeah, I was like, we might as well just walk.
Yeah, I'll just pick him up on the way
Thank
around.
you.
You're welcome,
I
sweetie.
appreciate it.
How was the walk?
It was a nice little walk. It wasn't bad at all. And I said, I got Brian an iced coffee too, because I know
There you go.
there's a couple of dollars left. And I also, here, in case you want to put something in your gas tank. Angel also got it.
No worries, sweetie.
Yeah, if we need to get anything. What, another shift?
Yeah, there is one. If not, I had that interview at Closer today, so hopefully.
Oh, yeah, and that's the thing, too. Apparently, Brooke has a 10:30 appointment.
Yeah, but he said something about
I guess I'll just shoot her up there.
One thing we can say is that we are trying to fulfill our grandma and aunt.
You both get the job tonight.
I know. I'm sure you'll get the position back with everybody. He just, I guess, wants you to meet with Finn anywhere or whatever.
That's fine.
Even Closer said the same thing about this other candidates. They're looking for the right person.
We're back to the house, so we didn't have to walk, guys.
Something one of the managers told
Right.
me that like kind of will keep you from getting as many applications.
Well, at least we did a little bit of exercise.
Because my resume is so
We
big.
did half of the exercise, but we got to ride back.
Because I have so many different jobs, but like I should.
But like I was telling you, my daughter had the keys, so I couldn't drive. So she picked us up. Isn't that
It
nice?
seems like you just give up on it.
Nice little vlog. So guys, we're back at the house. Hey. And we... Oh, jeez. These fucking stairs are a pain in the ass. I shouldn't be swearing. These freaking... Excuse my French. It's French. Is it really French? Back at the house. Oh, nice.